Maybe you've heard about Pilates and are looking to start doing it, but you don't know where to begin. Well, here are a few exercises to get you going. Now, these exercises are fairly easy to do, meaning that they're not complicated, but they can be actually difficult to do if you do them correctly. So we'll start with you lying on your back, knees bent, feet flat, knees together, feet together. Arms long by your side, just let your shoulders drop open. Take a deep breath in, deep exhale. Good, on the exhale, scoop your belly in and up. And then let it go. And again, deep breath in, deep exhale, on the exhale, scoop your belly in and up. And then let it go. And then on the next breath, keep the scoop, continue to breathe. Keep drawing your navel in towards your spine, up towards your head. Get this hollow belly, this Heimlich feeling. Keep this the entire class. So keep this hollow belly and then lift your arms up to the ceiling with your hands right above your shoulders. And then lift your shoulders off the mat and then plug your shoulders back down. Good. Lift your shoulders up and then plug your shoulders back down. Keep this hollow belly the whole time. So you're really focusing more on your belly than you are on your shoulders. Good. And then every time you lower your shoulders back to the mat, feel it opening in the front of your collarbones, keeping this hollow belly. And if you think you're scooping your belly in, scoop it even more. Good. And then this next time you press your shoulders back, keep them pressing back to the mat. Good. And really press the hand down here. Good. And then draw small circles on the ceiling, using your upper arms to circle your arms while keeping this belly hollow. So again, this is the most important thing, keeping this hollow belly, your navel scooping in towards your spine, up towards your head. This is just for fun. And then circle your arms around the other way. Keep hollowing this belly in and up. Good. You can make the circles a little bit bigger. Yeah, there you go. Good. And then bring your arms still. And then inhale, reach your arms back towards your ears. Exhale, bring your hands right above your shoulders. Inhale, bring your arms forward towards your knees. And then exhale towards the ceiling. So just keep it slow and controlled in time with your breath, keeping your shoulders pressing back, collarbones wide open, keeping this hollow belly the whole time. And it doesn't really matter how far your hands go forward and back. Just keep those collarbones open, your shoulders pressing back, and your belly hollow. So again, arms are kind of just for fun to challenge the abdominal scoop. Good, and then the next time your hands come forward, bring them all the way down to the mat. Good. Again, find that hollow belly, scooping your belly in and up your spine, keeping this hollow belly, bend your right knee up towards your chest. Good, and with control, lower that leg down. Good, and then other side. Keep it slow and controlled here too. Again, challenging the abdominals. So it's not really about this knee lift, it's really about keeping your belly hollow the whole time. This is just for fun. Good, and as you lower and lift that knee, try to keep your pelvis completely still, hips still. Only move that knee. You can keep weight into the opposite foot, pressing the opposite foot into the mat, really keeping this opposite leg strong, keeping your collarbones open, keeping your belly scooping in. So it looks very simple, but there's a lot going on. Good, and then reach your right leg out long. So now the same thing with the straight leg. Lower and lift that right leg just a little bit off the mat. It's not about the lowering and lifting of the leg. That's just for fun. Keep your belly hollow, keep it scooping in. Navel moves in towards your spine, up towards your head the whole time. And same thing with the straight leg. You can press more into this opposite leg, opposite foot, keeping your hips still, hollow belly, open collarbones. So the leg is the least important thing of what's going on here. One more. Good, then lower that leg down and switch legs. Good, keep that hollow belly. Already find that belly scoop. Keep it the whole time. Good, and lower, lift that leg just a little bit off the mat. Again, pressing opposite hip, opposite foot into the mat for stability. You can even press your hands and your upper arms into the mat for a little bit more stability. Keep your collarbones open, hollow belly. Good, one more. Good, and then bend that leg up. Then both legs into your chest, take a quick stretch, shake it out. And then take your legs up to tabletop, which means your knees up your hips, shins parallel to the mat, feet together, knees together. Open up those collarbones, hollow belly. All right, so draw your navel in towards your spine, up towards your head. Keep this hollow belly the entire time. Then lower your right leg down to mat, tap your toe, then lift that leg back up. And then other side. And your foot does not actually have to tap the floor in just one tap. Good. This is just for fun. Again, this is the hollow belly. This is what you want. This is the priority. Keeping your navel scooping in towards your spine, up towards your head. So only move your leg as far forward as you can keep that belly hollow. If your foot only goes halfway, great. Just scoop your belly in more. This is the most important part. Good, one more. Good, and then rest.